It's a pretty creative space. Welcome to a Green Hat Workshop PLANKS Incursion. In our PLANKS Incursions, up to 100 students of all ages and abilities engage with our huge collection of 20,000 identical wooden blocks. A largely play-based and self-directed program, your school community will have the opportunity to build anything they want. Commonly, students engage in building towers and maps, cities and houses, lettering, exploring and experimenting with shape and angle and rotation, as well as representations of objects and places. Gravity and friction, cantilever, counterbalance, patterning, as well as teamwork, cooperative and creative engineering, and mindfulness. And resilience. Loads of resilience. If you'd like to know more about our program or have some questions, click the button below and let's make contact.